Okay. Is it alright if I make a line marking just to separate? Okay. Okay. So basically, the problem, it says while hiking on a level. I mean, should I just okay? While hiking on a level path towards Colorado's Front Range, Otis Evan determines that the angle. Yes, Otis. Determines that the angle of the elevation to the top of Long's Peak is 30 degrees. Moving 1,000 feet closer to the mountain, Otis determines that the angle of the elevation to be 35 degrees. How much higher is the top of Long's Peak than Otis's elevation? Okay, so we've hold on. I don't want to do it that way. Okay, sorry. So we've got basically a triangle. Right here is where Otis starts, and this is when he walks about 1,000 feet. So it changes to the triangles change, and so now there's two triangles. So this is 1,000 feet, and we don't know this or this. And when he starts the measurement right here, it's 30 degrees, and then when he makes the measurement here, it's 35 degrees. And since we know this is a right triangle because he's going up and then it goes up, this would be 90 degrees. And by figuring out the math equation from that, we can figure that the top is 30 or 55 degrees.
Which angle? The outer angle?
The outer angle? The outer angle for the second triangle.
Okay.
I'll just label this as triangle A, and this is triangle B.
Okay. Wow, that's...
Yeah, this isn't a fun problem. And so since we know this is the internal or the external angle of this triangle, we subtract that from 180, and we get the 145 degrees, which is the internal angle for this triangle right here. And that means that this up here is 5 degrees because 30 plus 45 equals 175, so there's only 5 degrees left. So the internal angle for triangle A is 5 degrees. And that's just starting out, making sure that we have all the angle measurements. And what we need to figure out as a whole is the distance right here, which is D. So what we want to figure out is distance plus 1,000 feet equals, we're not sure, and that's what we have to figure out. So what we had to figure out is that, this part, or this is the D, this is actually the X, so, sorry, this is D, this is X.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. And so we need to figure out what X is. So we know that tan of 35 is equal to X over D. And so that means that, and also we know that tan of 30, oops. Oh, whoops, why did I do that equal sign there? Sorry.
Mistake,
thank you. So that's not there. So tan of 35 is equal to X over D, and tan of 30 is X over 1,000 plus D. And so what we have to figure out is we have to be able to make a cotan from what we were trying to figure out from all that.
and cotan is just reciprocal.
Cotan is just the reciprocal. So what that means for us is that, let's see, I think I mixed up the labels right here. Hold on, let me double check. Okay, so then we have the total distance is equal to X of cotan of, cotan of 35 degrees. And so that means that also the distance, or not the distance, but, oh wait, no, this is X and this is D. So X plus 1,000 is equal to, wait, yeah, the distance of cotan, or the distance, oh yeah, the distance of cotan of 35, or 30. So what that means is that, let's see, D, or the distance, times cotan of 35 equals the distance of cotan 30 minus 1,000. So altogether, that means that the distance is equal to 1,000 divided by cotan of 30 minus cotan of 35, which altogether equals about 3,290.5 feet.
So that's your, that's, this
That's
is
the
height.
whole. That's the whole distance. That's the or the
That's
height.
this-
Sorry.
Is that the height?
Yeah, that's the height.
That's the
Okay.
height.
You got you similar thing.
Yeah, sorry. It was just really hard to keep track of for this problem. So
3,290.5
5 feet about.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, that was the best that I could be able to get it out because it was really complicated.
Well,
to-
yeah, it's not bad. Let's go ahead and push that.
Okay. Oh, where's the stop?